ringing. They're still fucking around.
Yes. He just realised he wasn't in a parking spot. Oh, fuck off. Arsehole. We want that spot. We indicated first.
You were right.
He literally wasn't in the parking spot.
He wanted a parking spot. He did an illegal U-turn to get a parking spot.
Uh-huh.
That
lights, 4 lights, 5 lights, and it's go, go, go! And straight into the lead goes Kimi.
Absolut ködrycken.
You will die either.
What happened to your fucking lights?
About my side.
Very good. You fucking moron.
Fucking idiot.
他就惨死，以为他是要当王子。闯红灯啊！
哎呦我操！
我靠！这死过人真是骑多快啊！我刚才在走了。
The time has come, you will agree, to stop being afraid, to do away with subtlety and call a spade a spade. We've passed the point when one can simply turn and look away. Stop being an arsehole. Okay! We've been politely sitting on the fence for far too long and burying our heads in the sand to pretend there's nothing wrong. Ignoring a rotten smell will never make it go away. Stop being an arsehole. Okay! We've reached the end of reasonable and sensible debate and must adjust the balance now before it is too late. Does every ill-informed moron deserve to have a say? Society won't progress while there are half-wits in the way. Immature privileged fuckwits do not recognise they're blessed, and when given half a chance they cannot help but make a mess. The grown-ups need to intervene and interrupt their play. Stop being an arsehole. Okay! Folks who fought to have a voice across the years didn't do so for a racist to launch political careers by screaming with entitlement that they deserve to have their way. Stop being an arsehole. Okay! The progress that's been made within the realms of equal rights cannot simply be abandoned and set back overnight, reversing all advancements by 4 or 5 decades. Stop being an arsehole. Okay! The imbeciles who rant against the changing of the tide inevitably use all their advantages to hide when the proverbial hits the fan and are the first to place the blame by protesting far too much when they should really be ashamed. So let's all shout out loud when they're stop being an arsehole.
Oh my God, it's him. Crank it, Jerry.
Came in and said, fellas, we got to do something. We got to do something big because everybody's gone now, and we got to do. He said, you guys have 2 out of 3 tag match. You, Lawler, Dundee, Larry, and Wayne. You guys go out there, go 3 falls, and the 3rd fall, you guys somehow or another win the match, and all hell break.
Shit everywhere. That's one hell of a fucking mess. Shit all over the place. What a surprise. 4 fucking utes wedged between a bus and a truck. That's one hell of a fucking mess. Shit all over the place. What a surprise.
We don't care about your money. We care about our money.
Utes,
and we care about what we want. And what we don't want is women who think they have more value than they do at 40 years old.
Where the fuck are you going? You're breaking down. What a dickhead. How do you get that fucking far along in life and still be that fucking stupid?
No,
there is absolutely no reason for this to be stopped. Everyone's just slowed down to goddamn look at nothing. What the fuck is this maniac doing? You going? Okay, he's done a runner. Legend says that motherfucker is still running.
Run, bitch! Run!
I want them. I wanted a big family. I got one.
Oh, wow.
But I decided, since you asked me, I decided to. If I can't raise them the way I want to raise them in my home, then I won't have them. Because having a baby ain't about me; it's about them.
What a fucking moron!
What you're saying and what you're.
Taking a picture of me? Yeah. Why? I'm doing a close-up of you right now.
Why?
I don't know. I think you look handsome. No, it is.
Shit. Oh, fuck. Wow.
Worldwide.
A fucking idiot. What a wanker. Fucking Mercedes drivers.
No other I'm intimidated by, not one. I'm not.
What is the point of trying to be first when you're going nowhere?
I don't know what's the reason. I don't know. I don't know.
What a fucking idiot.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
I'm from Blacktown. I've got a mullet head, and you're never gonna kick me out. I'm from Blacktown. I'm wearing flannelette, and they're never gonna kick me out. I'm from Blacktown. I smoke Winnie Reds, and you're never gonna kick me out. I'm from Blacktown. I like to stay in bed, and you're never gonna kick me out. I drink a Westie drink. I like how Westies think. I live off Centrelink. My telly's on the blink. I wear my thongs to keep me cool in the summertime. Ugg boots to keep me warm in the wintertime. I'm from Blacktown. I'm on the dole again, and you're never gonna kick me out. I'm from Blacktown. I missed the rent again, and they're never gonna kick me out. I'm from Blacktown. She's up the dump again.
An idiot. NTC 26. Everyone, I'm shaking my head out of him. Drivers here are looking at him like, what are you doing? And he's just giving him a look like, what? What? What the fuck?
Said yesterday, taking it up to the people till right before the minute of the 6 p.m. end of voting. But, you know, no one in my part of the world has forgotten what happened during the lockdowns, where we were effectively, because of Victoria, we were...
Well, that's fat.
I think that's the
Household.
I'm with
8 out of 10 children, 8 out of 10 black children are born in
Fucking idiot.
single-parent households. Make yourself unavailable. You have had to actively.
Fuck, there's no cars behind me. They could have gone after me, and there's no cars for a mile.
Dealing with don't matter. Marriage is only score to keep matters over there. You may be able to have lots of Can you date these men, or do men come to the Cayman Islands looking for wives?
well, I mean, the Cayman Islands has the highest divorce
Jesus
rate.
Christ.
So I don't know about that, but
Fucking mental.
That's what I'm saying. Most wives, they're coming there with somebody or looking for what?
got our service. Someone's caning it. Ooh, that sounded nice.
What the car was doing. That he's going to cross. Do I just have to stop? Yeah, stop. Stop. Don't honk at me! Can you not? I'm stuck. They're crossing. Hurry up. No, you can go. No one else is coming? No, you're right.